Do you have a business and you're looking to create professional business documents for your business? Well, with EasyDocsAI Ultra, you can do that. EasyDocsAI Ultra uses AI to create lawyer-grade critical business documents for you. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through EasyDocsAI Ultra and all that it offers you. When you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can go ahead to search for multiple templates that you'd want to use. You can add a contact group, you can create documents, add automation data, check your logs, and many more. We'll be going into that one after the other. You can also take a look at your brand and manage the brand or add a brand. As you can see, we've already created one brand. And for that brand, we've added our Facebook, we've added Instagram, and we've added Twitter. If you want to add a brand, simply click on Add Brand. You include your brand name. You can include a brand logo, choose a brand color. You can include the Facebook, the Instagram, and the Twitter link. And once you're satisfied with that, simply click on Add Brand. This will be useful when creating your legal documents, and you can slide in any brand of your choice to that legal document. You can take a look at your contact groups, and on your contact group, you can choose to send your documents to a list of people on your contacts. You can take a look at your folders, and in your folders, you can sort out different documents based on their purpose. We have already created one folder, which includes one file. Then you can take a look at your documents. This is the most important part of EasyAI Docs Ultra. If you want to create a new document, you can simply click on Create Document, and you can see the multiple forms of legal documents at your disposal, from employment to family health, to family law, healthcare, non-disclosure agreements, power of attorney, and many more. We can simply create a document by selecting from the numerous templates that have been provided for us. Let's pick an employment document, continue. You can pick from the numerous templates available. And when we find the one we're interested in, you can simply select that one. You can either preview the document, or you can just simply use that document. And when we're using the document, we are given specific things that we can edit from that document. As you can see, all we have to do is to edit and make changes to the document. We can include different changes and add the subject of the document. When we're satisfied, we can either change the language of the document, we can rewrite the content in that document, or we can export the document as a PDF, as a doc, or simply go ahead and print it. We'll just save the document for now. Now, our template has successfully saved. And once it has saved, we can take a look at it in our documents list. Here, we can see if the document has been signed. We can take specific actions on the document. We can take a look at our e-sign inbox, or we can take a look at our e-sign sent. If we want the receiver to sign this document, we can simply click on e-sign, include a client email, enter a CC or a BCC. When we're satisfied with that, we can simply send it to their email. Once the user receives the email and clicks on the link, they'll receive the email such as this, and all they have to do is read through. If they're okay with it, then they can choose to add an e-signature. Next, we can take a look at the lead gate, where we have multiple leads forms when we take in leads from users. We can create a form preview, and when we've created one form preview, we can manage the leads or manage the lead forms that we have. We have other parts of EasyDocsAI Ultra like data and automation, where we can automate specific services and create funnels on EasyDocsAI Ultra. We have a marketplace. We can check if our website or our documents are ADA compliant. We can integrate EasyDocsAI Ultra with other platforms like social media channels and more. We can verify our emails. We can take a look at Agency Accelerate, another product offered by EasyDocsAI Ultra. We can have our agency reseller to resell EasyDocsAI Ultra to other users. We can also take a look at our SMTP logs and our contact filter logs. This is for emails that have been created for our organization. We can change our settings, and we can take a look at AI Ultra, AI DocuScan, or AI Web Chat. On AI DocuScan, you can attach a document to EasyDocsAI Ultra, and when you attach that document, the AI chatbot, which here is Eva, will take a look at that document and give you important information from that document. You can also do the same thing for your website. The only thing you have to do is include the website URL and you can go ahead. There are other special bonuses offered by EasyDocsAI Ultra, and you can take a look at them and have a lot of access to them. You can see more tutorial videos to really understand how to use EasyDocsAI Ultra, and you can see other products offered by EasyDocsAI Ultra. So as you can see, EasyDocsAI Ultra can be very powerful. It has a lot of tools to make your business documents very useful and up to par. A link to EasyDocsAI Ultra is in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.